वन नेशन वन ड्रीम। मैं भी ऐसे करके खड़ा हो जाता हूँ इधर।
Father of the nation on one side.
मदर ऑफ द नेशन।
दिखा दो. Mother of the nation that you're in currently. Can you show to the camera? Wow. And in a single frame, we see our colonial past and our present juxtaposed with each other.
ऐसी करेंसी कन्वर्जन।
वैसे रेट आजकल काफी हमारे फेवर में नहीं है. The pound is very expensive right now.
लाड़ा लो।
It's very expensive. Paji, hello from the UK, as we had promised to do an episode in the
Hello
UK.
from
We're here.
hello from London. How are you,
London.
mate?
Mate,
You want
I'm
a bo-
I'm
you want a
absolutely.
bottle of water?
About
You want
what?
water?
About
Water.
what? Yeah, why not? A bottle of water for some hydration. You play such
Bottle
an
of water.
intense match.
मतलब बोला जाए तो हम लोग टेक्निकली तो लंदन में हैं, पर लंदन में नहीं।
कहाँ पे हो?
मतलब जहाँ जैसे आप मुंबई में हो, ठीक है,
हाँ.
तो जैसे हम पुणे हाईवे से अब मुंबई की तरफ चलते हैं,
हम्म.
ठीक है, तो जब पहला ही गांव हिट होता है
हम्म.
मुंबई का,
हाँ. मुंबई का पहला गांव.
मतलब जो जुरिस्डिक्शन है मुंबई का
Got
पहला
you.
गांव में,
Yes,
तो
yes.
आदमी जब बोलता है भाई मैं मुंबई पहुंच गया हूँ, पर जुहू बीच एक्चुअली 2 घंटे दूर है।
अच्छा, वैसा मामला है वहां
तो
पे.
हम लंदन पहुंच चुके हैं एकदम, मतलब गांव वाले लंदन में।
अच्छा, so you're in the boondocks of London right now, which is
We
basically
are in
outside somewhere.
the suburbs. We are in the, let's say, hard rock working suburbs of London, where normal janta lives and they catch a
Good.
train to work inside the city.
Understood.
This is the kind of
Blue,
London
you know,
that
the
we,
hard-working blue collar
that
people,
बिल्कुल
working
व्हाइट कॉलर,
class,
व्हाइट कॉलर,
white collar.
व्हाइट कॉलर वाले लोग हैं इधर। यहाँ से ट्रेन स्टेशन जाएंगे, गाड़ी पार्क करेंगे, ट्रेन में जाएंगे, 1 घंटा पकड़ के काम करके आएंगे वापस।
आपने भी कम मेहनत नहीं करी है पिच पे. लोग तो मेहनत
बिल्कुल।
कर रहे हैं वहां पे. आप.
मतलब हम लोग भी आए हैं भाई, हम लोग
हाँ.
फ्लाइट लेके आए हैं। चलो
हाँ,
ट्रेन
बिल्कुल.
निकली पर फ्लाइट लेके आए हैं, बट इट्स गुड टू बी हियर। ड्रीम्स आर कमिंग ट्रू, इवन दो रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट देयर, बट द ड्रीम्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट।
Of course they're important. I wanted to actually start with that क्योंकि आपने पिछले एपिसोड में बोला था, या मैं एपिसोड नहीं बोलना चाहता इसको यार, आपने पिछले कॉन्वर्सेशन में बोला था कि
जी।
आपका सपना है इंग्लैंड में खेलना. एंड आई बिलीव दैट आवर गुड फ्रेंड जॉनसन आल्सो आस्क्ड यू अबाउट दिस व्हेन यू हैड गॉन टू द इंडियन एम्बेसी,
जी,
कि आपका सपना पूरा
जॉनसन एंड
हुआ.
जॉनसन,
हाँ.
बड़ा मजा आया। फर्स्टली it was nice to be invited to the high commission.
हम्म.
It's good to have some recognition and some backing from the bureaucracy part of our worlds, because it helps our case,
Yeah,
especially football,
yeah, yeah.
because we are lacking in attention, I feel like. But it was good, मतलब सपना पूरा हो, मजा आया यार बहुत ज्यादा। ग्राउंड पे
हम्म.
उतर के, मतलब match day -1, getting into the stadium,
हम्म.
getting that proper feel of English football.
An old school English
हाँ,
stadium.
हाँ, मतलब हमने जैसे मैच डे -2, द डे आफ्टर वी लैंडेड, वी ट्रेन्ड
हम्म.
इन अ नॉन लीग फुट, जैसे नेशनल लीग
Oh, no
फुटबॉल
way.
क्लब्स ट्रेनिंग पिच और
Okay.
देयर मेन पिच।
हाँ, हाँ,
एंड
हाँ.
वहां मतलब घुस के ऐसे लगा कि यार ये तो इंग्लैंड में आ गए हम लोग, मतलब एकदम रग रगेड लुक, एंड फुली, मतलब हाउ यू से, मतलब एकदम रगेड था काम, जैसे
जो
डेनिम पूरी घिस जाती है ना, वैसे टाइप का माहौल था।
जो दंदनादन गोल में जो
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
ग्राउंड होता है ना,
जहाँ
वैसा.
जॉन इब्राहिम आके मार के गया गोल, वो वाले ग्राउंड में हम लोग खेले।
सही है. हाँ.
फर्स्ट डे को ट्रेनिंग किया हमने, but then going to the valley, to the
हम्म.
Charlton Athletic
हम्म.
Stadium,
हम्म.
firstly you're driving through streets, right? The streets are basically residential,
हम्म.
Charlton, और तुम लगता है भाई स्टेडियम कहाँ है भाई, यहाँ तो घर ही घर दिख रहा है, किधर है
हाँ,
स्टेडियम।
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
जैसे
हाँ.
मतलब हमारे यहाँ तो स्टेडियम दूर से दिख जाता है,
दूर
कोई
से दिख जाता है, एक ना विशाल
लाइट दिख
विराट
जाती है दूर
स्ट्रक्चर.
से, सॉल्ट लेक की भी, सॉल्ट लेक इधर आ रहा है, कंतीरवा आ रहा है, ये तो चार्ल्टन नहीं पता चल रहा किधर है स्टेडियम,
हम्म.
दिख ही नहीं
हम्म.
रहा है।
हाँ.
And then suddenly from one street to another street, in between of the houses, then suddenly it appears like this in front
अच्छा.
of you,
अच्छा.
मतलब ऐसा है। and then you kind of you pull into the stadium, and then you're like just looking up, ऐसे मतलब stadium देख रहे हैं, इतना बड़ा stadium,
Oh wow.
20
Capacity क्या है?
27,000. I think
27.
it's 27,000.
Hmm.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful,
Yeah.
as all football stadiums
As you
here.
would imagine.
The stands are next to the pitch.
Yeah.
मतलब कोई थ्रो इन लेगा तो पीछे से हाथ मार सकते हैं, ऐसे वाला है.
आपने बहुत अगर लंबी गोल किक मार दी तो मेरी आंटी
नहीं,
के
but
घर के
नहीं,
किचन के अंदर जाके गिरेगी.
ground is huge. Ground is huge.
अच्छा. हम्म.
It's a proper big pitch.
हम्म.
But अच्छा लगा, मतलब walking into the stadium, then walking onto the pitch the first
हम्म.
time, when look at the ground, look at the
Yeah.
stands, being so close, getting the feel of like, okay, actual championship games happen here.
Yeah.
Like, it's a different feeling. मतलब, to be in that environment,
Environment.
it was incredible for me personally. पता नहीं, मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि I belong in a place like this.
Yeah.
As a player, like, this is where I want to
Yeah.
be.
Yeah.
But getting a chance to be here and train, and then also play a professional, मतलब full-time match,
Hmm.
uh, was a great experience. Very thankful of this opportunity that
Hmm.
we got.
Hmm.
Credit where credit is due. The federation has done a great job organizing this.
Hmm.
हम लोग बैठ के यही सोच रहे थे यार, लास्ट टाइम, मतलब जब मैंने नेशनल टीम ज्वाइन किया था 15-16 साल पहले, हाउ मेनी फ्रेंडलीज लाइक दिस वी वर प्लेइंग. वी वर
हाँ.
प्लेइंग ऑफिशियल गेम ओनली, लाइक सैफ कप हो गया, फिर उसके बाद चलो जी, अगर क्वालिफायर है तो क्वालिफायर खेल लिया,
क्वालिफायर है. हाँ.
then that's it. But now, like, if you look at the last 5 years or something like
Hmm.
that,
Hmm.
or especially the last 2-3 years, the amount of like good games that we are playing, it's
Hmm.
it's it's nice, man. Like, players who need games. Every FIFA window
Hmm.
is an opportunity, and we need to make the most of it. चाहे हम लोग एशिया कप ना क्वालिफाई करें, वर्ल्ड कप ना
Hmm.
क्वालिफाई करें,
Hmm.
या कोई भी कप ना क्वालिफाई करे,
Hmm.
because this is the only path to development. And now being here, playing
Hmm.
the first game,
Hmm.
tells me that how important this is.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because, well, like, for me, it's a great experience. I'm 34 and I still want to learn and be there.
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
for the young ones who are coming,
Yeah.
they should see this as fire, fuel to
Hmm.
fire. कि यार, I want more of this.
Hmm.
तो मतलब शेर के मुंह को खून लग जाता है, ऐसे
हाँ
टाइप की
हाँ
फील.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
और बाकी का तो पता नहीं भाई, मेरे तो लग गया, मेरे तो ऐसे, मेरे को
वो
लो यहाँ
दि-
कैसे करके मैं नहीं आऊंगा वापस.
वो
मतलब लीगली ऐसा नहीं है कि पासपोर्ट फाड़
हाँ
के भाग
वो
जाएंगे.
कौन सी डंकी मार के नहीं रहना वहां पे. हाँ.
हाँ,
हाँ.
but that's the crux of it, yeah, like the experience.
Dude, Gurpreet bhai, I just love like when you were speaking about this entire thing, right? I was just marveling at the joy on your face. There is childlike joy and excitement on your face right now.
मैं कहता भाई, मतलब कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं, वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं कर सकते. मतलब इमेजिन करो, like you've played a football game, of
Yeah,
course, and result can go either way.
yeah.
But when you uh, play at a place where you feel like this is like where you belong, and this is real
Hmm.
football heritage. This is uh, where so many good games, important games, big
Hmm.
players have played,
Hmm.
and ये pitch same stands. मतलब it feels like कि you've achieved something. I think it might sound crazy that okay, ये बंदे को लग रहा है कि चार्ल्टन के स्टेडियम में खेल के इसको लग रहा है इसने अचीव
नहीं
कर लिया
नहीं
कुछ,
नहीं
but
पाजी नो.
it's very
हाँ.
hard to explain for a kid from India who's you know playing in India, whatever, tried his luck outside,
Yeah.
ये वो करके. For us, it's achievement in terms of coming to England and playing the international football
And
friendly, wearing the Indian team colors.
may I add, you had a very good chance of joining Wigan Athletic as well.
जी
This could
जी,
have
वो तो
been
चलो
your
अब
life.
हो गया जो हो गया, अब क्या करें. एनी हाउ, क्या पता अभी हो जाए कुछ यार.
Pai, I'm gunning for you, man. I'm
Yeah,
really
let's.
gunning for you.
I
पता है
don't know,
इंटरव्यू
man.
से पहले ना.
Inside और अंदर का जो even though I'm 34,
हम्म.
inside I'm still 18, 19-year-old goalkeeper. So I feel like यार कुछ तो करो, ऐसे तो रोको. But it's, that's how life is.
I love it. मुझे एक बात बताना, अभी का रिएक्शन आपने मुझे बता दिया है, but what have been the other reactions you've overheard or seen or observed in your fellow teammates? What are some of the things you heard from them about coming here and playing over here?
I don't know, man. Like, honestly, I feel like I am the only crazy one who's reacting like. But बाकी चलो
maybe you're the most
उनका
expressive
feeling
one.
होगा, but they are not expressive
हाँ.
like this, or they are not having the same platform as we are
Hmm.
having or sharing like
नहीं,
that.
पर ड्रेसिंग रूम में किसी ने कुछ बोला हो कि यार, रायन फॉर एग्जांपल हैज प्लेड
Ryan,
इन
Ryan तो
assisted
obviously
on this
Ryan,
ground, right?
yeah, Ryan has played on this ground. Ryan को तो ऐसे था भाई, देखो भैया लोग, ये हमारी गली है,
हाँ.
हमको फॉलो करो, ठीक है, कोई
समझ
कहीं नहीं
गया.
जाएगा, मैं बताऊंगा कौन
मैं
कहाँ जाएगा.
बताऊंगा, एक जो
हाँ.
होता है ना, जो कि ओवर एंथुजियास्टिक guy in his own sort of territory
हाँ, ये
after
तो
a
वो हो
long
गया,
time.
जैसे अगर रायन चंडीगढ़ आएगा तो मैं चंडीगढ़,
हाँ.
मैं घूम रहा हूँ, रायन को बोल रहा हूँ, अरे वहां से राइट नहीं, यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेना था,
यहाँ से लेफ्ट. तुम क्या जानो, प्लीज लीव इट टू
तुम क्या
मी,
जानते हो. हाँ, तो he's in that mode, which is great. I know, like people like Sandesh, like the older ones especially, we cherish this a lot. Like for Rahul, I feel like it meant a lot that he was with the captain's armband and walking out the national team in England. So it was a big moment for him as well. Uh, so I feel like, everyone has their own type of reaction. I feel like because I don't know what it is, कोई शेयर नहीं कर रहा, बट मेरा तो आपको पता है, मैं तो बता रहा हूँ कि मेरा तो ये एक्सपीरियंस था. और once,
शेयर
like
सिर्फ
I said,
शेयर नहीं कर
once
रहा,
you,
ओवर शेयर कर रहा है.
कि
आई लव इट.
once you get the taste of it, na, like you want more of it. It's like, how can I explain, like how people win trophies, that once you win trophies, you want to keep on winning trophies.
राइट.
This feels like this, it's bigger than that, in my opinion.
वाओ.
Getting exposure to play in England and
या.
test ourselves and you know be like, key, this is the standard, this is, you know
या.
where the level is, and this is what we want to do.
You know what you said about wanting more is the most important thing, because for someone who doesn't have context of Indian football, who's watching this and probably thinking to themselves कि यार, अरे इतने में ही खुश हो गए हम, नहीं भाई, वो नहीं है, उसकी बात नहीं है. You look at context, you look at careers, you look at where you've been, what you've been
Yeah,
through in your career. Started off before ISL days playing for East Bengal, then
yeah,
got a chance to play in the ISL. Then after
yeah,
that, went to Stabæk, Wigan, almost joined it, coming
yeah.
back, seeing uncertainty. Bhaiya, it's not
Yeah,
that easy.
for us, it's like I said, for us it's different because we've been through that journey.
Yeah.
uh, but maybe for someone like, I don't know, like a new kid who's joined the national team for the first time, उसको लग रहा है ये तो normal है भाई.
ये नॉर्मल है.
Let's not,
तो
yeah, it
उनको
was
आप
good.
बोलना कि बेटे, अब हमने जो दिन देखे हैं ना, चेरिश दिस.
But honestly, like the game, let's talk about the game. The game itself
Yes.
against Jamaica was a fun one. I
Hmm.
wouldn't say it wasn't fun. I had absolute fun playing it. That's
Hmm.
the most important part.
Hmm.
If you're coming off the pitch and feel like, yeah, maza aaya. We were close enough.
Hmm.
Even though the scoreline suggests something, but I feel like if we had held on and we had uh, took care of those two moments in the
Hmm.
game, like
Hmm.
things could have been different.
Yeah.
Uh, अगर वो फिनिश हो जाता अच्छे से, ऑफसाइड नहीं होता,
Hmm.
मतलब थिंग्स लाइक दैट ना. It wasn't like we were outplayed and stuff like that, even though like these players are playing in the championship
Hmm.
and other leagues in Europe did look more comfortable. मतलब लग
Hmm.
रहा था अभी यार इनका ही प्ले ग्राउंड है, ऐसे लग रहा था कि इनका ही होम ग्राउंड है, ठीक है.
Hmm. Hmm.
हम लोग अवे मैच के लिए आए हैं,
Hmm.
बट ऐसे नहीं था कि अरे यार ये मैच साला कब खत्म होगा,
Hmm.
ऐसे टाइप की फीलिंग नहीं आई.
और ये
ऐसे था कि
फीलिंग,
लेट्स.
and you would know how to differentiate between that feeling because you have felt that way in matches
Yeah,
before.
yeah,
This
100%. There's
wasn't
a
that kind of a
there's a
match.
difference. Like I don't know if people in the comments can
Yeah.
ask about this. We can share more info. But there are differences when you play, for example, like a Japan or
Hmm.
you know, like even with Iran, we didn't feel like that. But like
Yeah.
when you're one man down, for example,
Correct.
and you're playing against a very good team, तब
Yeah.
ऐसे लगता है कि यार यार मैच जल्दी खत्म करो, हम लोग बहुत
Hmm.
पिट रहे हैं.
Hmm.
Even though ये game में there were moments like that, phases like that,
Yeah.
but overall, I personally didn't feel कि यार we are on the back foot too much
Yeah.
in a very uncomfortable manner.
Hmm.
अगर हुए होंगे तो ये उसका भी purpose होगा,
Hmm.
because our approach was like that.
Yeah.
Uh, but like I said, those 1-2 moments
Yeah.
defined it, and especially against good oppositions
Hmm.
और अच्छे प्लेयर्स, ऐसा ही कुछ होता है. अगर आप थोड़ा स्लिप अप मारोगे वो लोग बख्शेंगे नहीं.
और
ठीक है,
दोनों दोनों गोल बहुत अच्छे थे. Both goals were
अच्छे
class.
थे, पर it wasn't like, for in my
But
mind
also
they were
avoidable.
avoidable.
Yes. Yes,
Avoidable.
yes. 100%.
It wasn't like, like, because I have had the fortune of playing against Barcelona B,
Hmm.
Japan, South Korea,
Hmm.
Iran, Australia, मतलब Villarreal B, all these
Hmm.
teams,
Hmm.
they outplay you most of the time.
Yeah.
Teams like Barcelona B, for example,
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं था. ये तो हमने अनफॉर्चुनेटली खुद दे दिया
Hmm.
कि ये लो फर्स्ट गोल, तो स्पेशली तो
Hmm.
दुख हुआ उस मामले में. बट अगेन देन not going down mentally and physically and
Yeah.
trying to push others to do better
Yeah.
was the whole thing that I was trying to do in the game. वो मतलब
Yeah.
थोड़ा मेरे अंदर ऐसा था कि यार मतलब ये तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो कितना अच्छा चांस है ये.
Hmm.
बहुत अच्छा चांस है ये
Hmm.
ग्राउंड, ये फीलिंग दोबारा क्या पता ना ही आए.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो बेटे कुछ तो करो, मतलब
Yeah.
अच्छे से खेलो, ऐसा था.
Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm.
we did do a little bit better in the second half in
Yeah.
terms of going forward. Um, but to be fair, in terms of effort, I will never question anyone.
That's
Even
what I was
though
coming to.
people who came to the stadiums,
Yeah.
अपने अपने बंदे जो आए थे मैच देखने,
Hmm. Hmm.
ठीक है, उनके साथ हमने बात भी की,
हाँ.
और
क्या
उन्होंने
क्या बातें
बताया
हुई?
कि यार कि कोई बात नहीं, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा मैच देख के. रिजल्ट, ऑफ कोर्स दे वर डिसअपॉइंटेड विद, we couldn't keep
Hmm.
a clean sheet, but
You
they
couldn't
said
score
in terms
either.
of effort, ki, you guys did really well, and that's why it's important to come to the stadiums to
Yeah.
actually know the truth.
To feel
Of
it.
course, when you wake up and you see or result 2-0, again,
Hmm.
again,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
of course there is a negative uh, loop which is going on, but the actual truth sometimes is a bit different there.
Yeah. No, you'd know better because you see it and experience it from close quarters whenever you're part of that national camp. And while there are many, many tangents to go into, you could analyze the match from a tactical point of view, you could analyze the match from a preparedness point of view. Now is not the time to do that either because you're actively in the middle of the
Yeah,
Unity Cup as well. So we'll save that for a later date. You also have two friendlies on international FIFA dates coming up with Tajikistan. So we'll come to that as well. But
yeah,
the main takeaway for me is the joy on your face, and I hope that puts
yeah,
things
man.
in perspective for fans as well. That at the end of the day, you need to feel that as a professional to give your best as well. And if you feel that everyone on the pitch gave their 100%, then I think that's a good step to build on from. Do you think that's the
Yeah,
case?
I mean, with the cards that we have been dealt with,
Hmm.
of course, like I'm not gonna sit there and make excuses and
Yeah.
sound ungrateful. Like I said, I'm so grateful कि ये opportunity अपने को मिली और हम लोग आए इधर.
Hmm.
But because I have experienced playing football in Europe, I have been to England to give trials for clubs.
Yeah.
I know that it takes more than 48 hours
To
for you
acclimatize.
to
Yeah.
get to the speed of things.
Yeah.
पहले तो मैं क्या, तो पहले हफ्ते तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा बॉल कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है.
Hmm.
You know, then after 1 week, you start following the ball much quicker. Then
Hmm.
after 2 weeks, your passing becomes much crisper, and that's the ladder.
That's the
अगर आप, 1
progression.
week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, you're a complete different player.
Hmm.
So that's the go here, and I'm pretty sure that the next game that we'll play,
Yeah.
you'll see a better version of the players.
Yeah.
The players that who were sleeping, this that,
Yeah.
टच खराब हो गया या रिसीव खराब हो गया या रिएक्शन थोड़ा इधर उधर हो
Yeah.
गया.
Yeah.
It might be a different story tomorrow, because everyone will already have had spent 3-4 days play a game and all this,
Yeah.
and have a better version of themselves present for the next game against Zimbabwe.
We need to go for the win against Zimbabwe. Like we go for the
100%
win
यार, and कुछ
in every
ऐसा
match.
नहीं है कि it'll be any different. They are very similar to
Hmm.
Jamaica.
Hmm.
Of course उनका रैंकिंग ये वो तुम देखोगे तो फिर
Hmm.
मतलब वो फंसोगे तुम कि हाँ 130 है और ये है, ये लोग 136 है, ऐसा है.
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है.
Hmm.
There are other reasons why they are 130th,
Yeah. Yeah.
and those are not because they have bad players and stuff like that.
Hmm.
It's other reasons. Maybe they are not playing enough and stuff like that.
Hmm.
क्योंकि हमने वीडियोस देखे हैं, उनके उनके प्लेयर्स के वीडियोस भी देखे हैं.
Hmm.
And most of their players are playing at very good levels.
Yeah. Yeah.
So many of them are English born. इधर
Yeah.
पले बड़े हैं, इधर ही वो खेलते रहे हैं पूरी छोटी उम्र से. तो
Hmm.
won't be any different, but like they won't be um, like ऐसा नहीं होगा कि extraordinary type या कुछ,
Hmm.
because we will go with that approach of
Yeah.
of not being scared of anyone, and we'll try to take our chances whenever we, you know
I love
whenever
it.
we get those chances, because it's a patience game. When someone is better at
Hmm.
something, you want to find their weakness in a different way.
Hmm.
तो अपने कोई बात नहीं, तुमको बॉल रखना है उधर रखो, कोई बात नहीं.
Hmm.
लोग को जब बॉल मिलेगा, that's when we need to be effective
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
do what we can do well with the ball, and find the opportunities whenever we get the opportunities what we are good at.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
more important. And like you said, go for the result, go for the win,
Yeah.
because at the end of the day, good result is what matters a lot. And it'll be good, yeah, to finish this trip to my London town
London.
on a good note, and go for that bronze medal.
Will there be a trophy ceremony? The
पता नहीं.
bronze medal
I'm
handover
not sure.
ceremony?
I'm not sure. I think it's only going to be for the final game.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. At least they won't have to plan for 5 different scenarios on the
हाँ हाँ
last day. At
हाँ
least they
हाँ.
won't have to do that, unlike the
अरे अरे
unlike the ISL.
कल चैंपियंस लीग का फाइनल भी है इधर.
But you're gonna be
ये तो
flying at
मतलब
that time, right?
नहीं नहीं, अरे भाई कल है. I mean, our game is at 2:30 p.m.
Oh,
UK.
right, and then right after.
हाँ, और 5 बजे तो USL फाइनल्स. Okay.
Okay. What are your
हाँ,
plans? Plans क्या है?
तो अपने किंग प्रिंस सारे शागिर्द जो हैं, सब
हाँ.
लोग का फोन होगा साइलेंट पे, और वो लोग देख रहे होंगे मैच, क्योंकि आर्सेनल खेल रही है. तो
तो
मेरे को
आपके क्या
तो
प्लान्स है एज अ टीम यूएफए
हमारे
चैंपियंस फाइनल
प्लान
के
ये
लिए?
है कि भाई मैच जीतना है हमारा.
हाँ, उसके
आर्सेनल
बाद
जो
होगा जो
मर्जी
होगा.
करे, PSG जो मर्जी करे,
हाँ.
हम अपने पे फोकस करें, और उसके बाद देखी जाएगी क्या होना है क्या नहीं होना है.
But will you go to a nice old English pub to watch the game?
क्योंकि हम लंदन टाउन के एकदम गांव एरिया में रहते हैं,
हाँ.
तो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा भी कैसे हम लोग वो अरेंज करेंगे.
अरेंज चलो कुछ ना कुछ अरेंजमेंट तो हो जाएगी आई एम
कोई
श्योर.
नहीं, जुगाड़ इंडियन और जुगाड़ इज ए
एंड
सेंचुरी ओल्ड कथा.
when in doubt you just need to call Ryan Williams, the local. He'll know.
ये मैं कहता हूँ यहाँ पे मिल ही जाएगा कोई ना कोई जो चैंपियन लीग देख रहा है.
I hope मिल जाए और कल
But
आप
what's your
खेलने.
prediction? What's your prediction?
Ooh, Paji. I think PSG is going to go back to back. I think PSG will go back to back. Not to say that Arsenal won't have the hunger to get over the line, but एक बार आप
मैं तो ये
कुछ
सोच
चीज,
रहा आर्सेनल गोल कैसे मारेगी।
हाँ वो सेट पीस से मारेंगे, या तो वो
अच्छा जब अब आर्सेनल अगर सेट पीस से गोल मारे तो आर्सेनल सेट पीस एफसी, हाँ हाँ, कोई और टीम सेट पीस से गोल मारे तो प्रॉब्लम है।
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ सेट पीस से मारेंगे बिकॉज दे आर सेट पीस एफसी ना, बिकॉज दे आर, वो तो खुद सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड सेट पीस एफसी हैं, बट
मतलब
नॉट।
कोई इसमें खराब चीज नहीं है, लोग चैंपियन लीग के फाइनल पहुंच गए हैं सेट पीस से, ठीक है।
Paji, on that note, I remember watching the game, and Jingan Paji was shielding the ball out next
हम्म,
to the touchline on our attacking side, and as soon
हाँ,
as the ball went out, हम लोग at home watching with my friends, I was like, अब long throw आएगा, and
हाँ।
as soon as the ball went out, he went like long throw. I said, I knew it. I knew that the long throw was going to come from there.
ब्रदर यू आर क्वालिफाइड
A
एनालिस्ट।
qualified certain. Thank you. Thank you. I
अगर
can
आपको
sense the
पहले पता है कि
sarcasm in
आप
that statement.
और इसमें खराब क्या है यार,
हाँ,
दुनिया की सब टीमें लॉन्ग थ्रो कर रही हैं।
हाँ, खराब
हाँ,
तो कुछ नहीं है।
क्या
खराब
प्रॉब्लम है।
कुछ नहीं है,
गोल
बट
मारेंगे तो सब सही है, सही है, सही है, नहीं मारेंगे तो खराब है, खराब है, खराब है,
देखो
मतलब
गोल आ जाए, गोल आ
that's
जाए।
that's what I'm saying, like it's
Yeah.
better to come to the stadium. I know it's difficult, you need to spend money and stuff like that.
Hmm.
That's why people who come to the stadiums, चाहे वो गाली दे, टेंशन नहीं, एटलीस्ट
हाँ,
आके you share your opinion what people are doing, so it's important यार। Of course
देखो
आप फ्लाइट्स बुक करके तो नहीं आ सकते,
मैं नहीं आ
बट
सकता।
जो
Cannot.
भी हैं इधर हमारे लोग, होपफुली कल थोड़े ज्यादा लोग आए, सैटरडे है।
चलो हो जाए मैसेज, a message to the people in and around Charlton who want to come
Uh,
watch the game.
my London town friends, please come to the game. इंडिया वर्सेस जिम्बाब्वे होने वाला है आपके 2:30 बजे। तो मेरी रिकमेंडेशन यही रहेगी कि आप थोड़ा घर से जल्दी निकलें। सारी स्ट्रीट्स ब्लॉक हो जाती हैं और वॉकिंग करके आएं, क्योंकि वॉकिंग शूज जरूरी है। पार्किंग ना करें, ट्रेन पकड़ के आएं, बस लें, और ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव ना करें। धन्यवाद।
On that note, best of luck for the game.
नमस्कारम।
Namaskar.